Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your HUAWEI P20 Lite, for the first you have to go for the tools folder, and then you have to pick up your recorder, accept the permission, and just tap here to start the record. And as you can see right now, smartphone starts recording sounds. And if you want to finish, you have to click right here. And here we got the record, so we can check the quality of it. And actually, record is in really good quality, so that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.